In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save Telegram photos and videos to your gallery step by step. This is a simple but very useful tip, especially if you're using Telegram desktop and can't find where your downloaded media is going. Whether it's photos, videos, or other media files, this method works perfectly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Telegram desktop on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account and everything is synced properly. Next, open the chat that contains the photo or video you want to save. This can be a private chat, group, or channel. Once you see the photo or video, move your mouse over the media. Now right-click on the photo or video. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Download. Telegram will immediately start downloading the file to your computer. Once this download is complete, the photo or video will be saved to your default Telegram downloads folder, which usually appears in your system's gallery or downloads directory. You can open the file directly from Telegram or access it later from your computer's file manager. And that's it. You've successfully saved a Telegram photo or video to your gallery using Telegram desktop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new tutorial.